If tiny stones and some other fine materials slow down the water flow through the sewerage network, SMC egg nozzles can be used for cleaning. The lightweight and egg-like shape of this nozzle increases its capability to have fast movement through the materials. This nozzle has been designed for moving at high speed and through long routes. Egg nozzle is equipped with a divider which equally divides the water flow between the backward outlet jet patterns. The divider reduces the non-periodic slugging movements of the nozzle and constantly controls it to have a direct forward movement. The nitrogenized surface of the nozzle body causes the highest resistance against abrasion and corrosion.